DELMIA's Virtual Build solution delivers a 3D experience to assembly planners and DFA specialists to graphically validate and document the assembly process to accelerate both the time to launch and the time to volume. The manufacturing assembly structure review in 3D gives a first view of how the product will be built and helps identify possible assembly challenges. The process plan visualization in 3D illustrates all the details of the assembly sequence and makes it very easy to detect and eliminate assembly problems before any physical prototype is created. Contrast this intuitive and visual approach with the traditional error-prone alphanumeric assembly planning done by most companies today. With such legacy tools, planners spend most of their time updating documents with the latest engineering changes instead of investing to validate and optimize the assembly plan. Visualization of the virtual build in the context of the 3D factory layout enables the planner to optimize the workplace layout or product orientation in order to improve worker efficiency and safety. The DELMIA Virtual Build model can be further used to document the assembly process and provide clear, visual work instructions for the shop floor. DELMIA's Virtual Build solution provides an innovative, highly visual method for assembly planners and DFA specialists to validate and document the assembly process. This approach increases manufacturing planning efficiency and assures that everyone on the shop floor is ready for a successful production launch.